Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix 2018 Tesla Model 3 heater not working. First, park the car safely and make sure it is in park. Sit in the driver's seat and close all doors. Look at the steering wheel and find the two scroll buttons. Press and hold both scroll buttons at the same time. Keep holding them until the center screen turns completely black. Once the screen goes dark, release the buttons and wait. The system will restart on its own. If the heater still does not work, perform a full power cycle. On the touchscreen, tap Controls, then Safety, then Power Off. The car will shut down. Stay inside the vehicle. Do not touch the brake pedal, doors, or screen. Wait 2 to 3 minutes without touching anything. After waiting, press the brake pedal to power the car back on. When the screen returns, test the heater again. Finally, check your software version. Tap Controls, then Software. Make sure the car is running the latest version. If an update is available, connect to Wi-Fi and install it. After updating, test the heater again. Check the cabin air filter. A clogged or dirty filter can severely restrict airflow, making the heater seem like it is not working even if it is producing heat. Thanks for watching.